Hi children, good morning Nana. Welcome to Maths class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home. My dear children, stay home, stay safe Nana. Okay, and you have to write the classwork continuously without mistakes. Okay. In previous class we completed exercise 4A, isn't it? So did you complete the classwork in exercise 4A children? Exercise 4A? Complete or not? Yes, I hope you all are completed in the classwork, and I gave some problems as homework. Did you complete that homework problems? Okay ma, here yesterday I explained that how to do the division by drawing dots and by grouping method and by the long division method. Okay, so once again I revised that some problems. After we will continue the next concept. Okay ma, see here 8 is divided by 6. How can we distribute this number 8 to the group 6? So yesterday I gave this problem as homework. So listen Nana, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, group 6 and number left. So like that we will make as 6 groups and number left. So you have to check your answer children. So we want to distribute this 8, number 8 to the 6 groups. So first you give 1 by 1, 1. Total 8 Nana. Already I distributed 6. So the remaining is 2. Okay, from this what we can say? So if 8 number is divided by 6, each one got 1 and with remainder 2. Okay Nana? Simple. This is a simple problem. If you want to distribute the number 8 to 6 groups, so first you distribute 1. Remaining is 2. So that means if 8 is divided by 6, each group got 1 and with the remainder 2. Remainder means the number left. That is only the remainder. Okay. So like this we will do the grouping method. Now I will explain the long division method. Long division method. One problem I explained Nana. See. So 8, 3, 5, 2, 9 divided by 5. So first you have to arrange. After 5 ones are 5, 3, take down 3. 5 table, which is the nearest number in 5 table to 33 as 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 33 minus 33. Take down 5. 5 7 are 35. 0, take down 2. 2 is not divisible by 5. So you take next digit also. So if you take the 2 digits at a time, don't forget to keep 0 in the quotient place. Now the number is 29. How many times it can go? 5 5s are 25. 4. So here the quotient, Q means quotient Nana. The result of division, that means the answer. That is called quotient. Quotient is 16,705 and the remainder is 4. Okay ma? Yes. Like this we will do the division, and I told you yesterday 2 points. The remainder is always less than the divisor. Okay. And if you take 2 numbers at a time, we have to keep 0 in the quotient place. Okay children? Yes. Today what? So in today's class, I am going to explain the division by 2-digit number using multiplication fact. Division by 2-digit number using multiplication fact. Today's topic. So don't write children, first you listen. Division by 2-digit number using multiplication fact. So this is the today's topic, children. My dear children, all of you open page number 66 in your textbook. See ma, there are 20 students in class 4. The class needs to collect 640 rupees for a picnic. So how many students are there in the class? 20 students. How much amount they collected from each? 640. How much money should each child bring? Then how much money should each child bring? How do you get this answer? 640 rupees is to be collected. This amount is to be collected from 20 children. So if you divide the 640 by 20, then we can get the answer. Okay. How many children are there in the school? How many students are there in that class? 20 students are there in the class, and the class needs to collect 640 rupees for a picnic. How much amount they want to be collect? 640 rupees. So how much money should each child bring? How do you get? 640 is to be collected among 20 students. So we will divide the 640 by 20. Okay. How do we divide, Nana, this one? See. So 20 table, 64 nearest number, 23 is a 60, 64 minus 64, take down 0, 22 is a 40. So the answer is 32 rupees. So each child should bring 32 rupees. Okay. And they are given the solved examples. Examples also see ma here. First example is very easy. 10 table, 10 3 is a 30, 10 6 is a 60. Okay, are they given? So here see, Nana, if any number is divided by 10, 100, 1000, first here only the 10 has 1 0, Nana. The last one digit becomes a remainder. So draw the line. This is quotient and that is remainder. So without doing the division, we can say simply quotient and remainder. That means this is possible only for when the number is divisible by 10, 100, 1000. Let us take one more number. 4500 is divided by 100. Then what's the quotient? 100 having 2 digits. So the last 2 digits become the remainder. And this one is the quotient. Q R. Q equal to 45, R equal to 0, 0. If any number is divided by 1000, see, Nana, 1000 has 3 zeros. The last 3 digits become the remainder. So draw the line. 3 digits. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So quotient equal to 8. Remainder equal to 432. So without doing division, we can simply say the quotient and the remainder when the numbers are divisible by 10, 100 and 1000. So if the number is divided by 10, the last digit become the remainder and the left side digits become the quotient. When the number is divided by 100, last 2 digits become the remainder and the left side become the quotient. Here also same like that. Okay, ma? But here they are given example 2, see ma, 5386 is divided by 40. How can you do this problem? Simple, Nana. 40 table. We'll write 40 table. 40 ones are 40. Take 2 digits, 53. Which one is the nearest number? As 40 ones are 40. Write 1 on the quotient place and down. 3, 5 minus 4 is 1. Take down 8. How many times it can go? Write the 40 table side. 40 ones are 40. 42s are 80. 43s are 120. 44s are 4 4s are 16. 160 is a big number. So take only 3 times. 40 into 3, 120. So 8, 1. Now take down 6. 186. So 40 into 5, 200. 40 into 6, 6 4s are 24, 240. 4 times only the nearest number. Now 26. So the quotient equal to 134 and the remainder equal to 26. Okay ma? So like this we have to solve the problems in the long division method. Now I will explain the short division. How can you divide the short division? See ma, this method is similar to the long division method, but it involves the more mental maths and less written calculations. In this method, the final quotient is written below the dividend in one single step. See, 48 is divided by 3 in short division. See ma, first you have to arrange the number like this and write this 3. Okay, so here we write directly the quotient. So in 3 table, how many times we get nearest number? 3 ones are 3. So we write only 1 in the quotient's place. 3 ones are 3. That 4 minus 3 is 1. So you write that remainder to the next. Then it becomes 1 8 18. How many times we get 3? As 3 6 are 18. Finish. So here the quotient equal to 16 and the remainder equal to 0. So this is the short division method. Okay ma, is it clear to you? And you know that this is division and this is dividend. Okay ma? So first you write the first digit of the quotient, first digit of the dividend, and R above to the second digit. R means remainder. You write the remainder second digit above. Is it clear to you children? Very easy. First you have to arrange the numbers like this and divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. So 1 is in the quotient place directly, but 3 can't be written in the short division method. So then you do that calculation in your mind. 4 minus 3 is 1. That 1 you write in the next digit above. So then 1 and 8 becomes 18. Come on, tell me the 3 table. 3 6 are 18. So quotient equal to 16, remainder equal to 0. And the long division method we directly do it. So 3 ones are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, take down 8, 3 6 are 18. So this is the long division and this is the short division. Okay ma? Here we write the quotients directly. This process we can't write here, so that it is called short division method. We calculate this one in our mind only. Okay ma? Yes my dear children, all of you open your classwork and keep exercise 4B. Exercise 4B. Write down exercise 4B. What's the first question? First you write this one, divide. Write down children, write down in your classwork neatly. Divide the following by long division, and short division methods. So first one is very easy Nana, so you can do as homework that one. So need not to do the division, directly we can say 7 is the quotient and the remainder is 0. Why? Because that number is divided by 10. Okay, 10 sevens are 70. So quotient is 7, remainder is 0. So I will explain the second problem, that is B. 240 is divided by 30. So solution, first we will do short division method. Write this one 240 and here 30. Okay. So here you keep like this and you have to think Nana here 24 we don't take Nana, so that we keep 0 in this quotient's place and take the next 30 table. 31s are 30. See here 240 nearest number. 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. So that 8 times will get the answer. 30 into 8. Okay, 30 into 8, 240. So the quotient equal to 8, remainder equal to 0. Is it clear to you, children? Yes. And now long division method. 240, 30. So this is short division. You write these headings also, ma. Short division, long division. So here see, ma, the divisor has 2 digits. So but here 240, 24. 24 is less than 30. So that you take 3 numbers. So 38 is 240 directly. See table. 31s are 30, 32s are 60, 33s are 90, 34s are 120, 35s are 150, 36 are 180, 37s are 210, 38s are 240. Okay. Next. Okay, ma, note down in your classwork. Next one. Second problem, C. C problem, see, ma. 8,000 is divided by 20. So first short division. 8,000 will write here 20. Okay, ma? Yes, divide this number, Nana. So how many times it comes here? 2, here 8. 2 4s are 8. That means 4 we will write. 20 4s are 80 and we'll keep these 2 zeros. Okay? 20 4s are 80 and we'll keep these 2 zeros. Finish. So the quotient is 400 and the remainder is 0. Okay, there is no remainder. The remainder is there. We'll write right side. Okay, ma? And now long division. See, ma? Here 20, here 80. 80 nearest number, 21s are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80. Write 4 times 80, 0, take down 0, 20 zeros are 0. Next take down 0, 20 zeros are 0. So the quotient is 400, remainder is 0. Yes, write down in your classwork, children. Next problem. Note down next to some children. D. 1376 is divided by 50. Short division. So you have to write like this. 1376, 50. Come on, 50 table, Nana. So is that divisor has 2 digits. So first you take 2 digits is 13. 13 is less than 50. So that you take the next digit also, 137. Which one is the nearest number to 50 table? As 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 5 twos are 10, that means 100. 50 threes are 150. 150 is big number, so that you take only 2 times. 50 twos are 100. You do this calculation. 137 minus 100 gives 37 as a reminder. So we write 37 to the right side. Then 376. What's the number? 376. Can you say the nearest number to 376? Yes. 5 sevens are 35. Okay. 5 sevens are 35 means 7 times. So you write 7 times. Then 50 sevens are 350. So 376 minus 350 gives the answer 26 as a reminder. Okay, ma? So here we write quotient equal 27, remainder is 26. So don't get big confusion, children. 50 twos are 100. So I told you, no, in short division method we write less, but we have to do the calculation in our mind. Mentally only we can solve this. 50 twos are 100. 137 minus 100. You do that calculation in your mind. 137 minus 100 is 37. 37 and here 6. So the number is 376. If you take 7 times, 7 5 is 35. 350 comes. So 376 minus 350. 376 minus 350 gives the remainder is 26. So we do this calculation in our mind and write the answer. Now long division method. So divide 50. So take 3 numbers, Nana. 137. So 52s are 100. So 137 minus 100. 37. Take down 6 and 50 table. So 57s are 350. So the remainder is 26. Note down in your classwork. Next, E. E problem. $30. 3069 is divided by 30. Short division. Write the dividend here, divide 30. See here children, 30 ones are 30. Here 30, here 30. So one time if you take 30 ones are 30, finish. Next you take down 6. 6 we can't divide. So that we keep 0 in the quotient place and take down 9. Now 69. Come on, tell me the 30 table. 30 ones are 30, 32s are 60. So 69 minus 60 gives the remainder 9. So here the quotient is 102, remainder equal to 9. Okay. So 30 ones are 30 and take down 6. 6 not divided by 30. So you keep 0 in the quotient place and take the next number 9. Now 32s are 60. So the answer 69 minus 60 gives the remainder 9. So we don't write here, Nana. We write the remainder directly. Now long division method. So 30 ones are 30. Take down 6. 6 is not divisible by 30, keep 0 in the quotient place and take down 9. 30 2s are 60. So 69 minus 60 gives the remainder 0. This is long division. And next problem. E finished Nana. F. 800 is divided by 25. First short division. (25) table 800. So first here 8 is not divided by 25. So that you take two numbers 80. How many times it comes? 25 table, 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are, if you don't know, write 25 into 3 side. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 75. So write 3 in the quotient place. 25 3s are 75 and gives the 5 as a remainder. Then 5 and 0 becomes 50. So 25 2s are 50. Finish. Is it clear why we written here? After the division we subtract Nana. That answer we write side. 25 3s are 75. So 80 minus 75 gives 5. So that 5 we write right side. Then 5 and take down 0, 50. 25 2s are 50. So we do this calculation in our mind only. Short division means. So quotient is 32. Remainder is 0. Here there is no remainder. Now we do long division method. So 800 is divided by 25. So 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are, I will write 25 table side. 25 ones are 25, 25 2s are 50, 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100. So 75 is the nearest number. 5, 0 minus 5 not possible. So that take borrow, 0 become 10, 8 before 7. So take down 0. Now the number is 50. How many times we get 15, 25 table? Yes, 2 times. So 25 2s are 50. So the quotient equal to 32, remainder equal to 0. Okay ma? Quotient equal to 32, remainder equal to 0. This only. So need not to write to another time also, no problem. And the last problem, Nana. (576) divided by 32. So one more problem also there, H. 576, that one you do as homework, Nana, the same model only, no? So put the tick mark for homework. 576 divided by 32. So today the homework problems, exercise 4B, first Roman, A and G. 2 problems only. Now I will explain H. So 1755. 1755 divided by 27. Short division. So 27 So here the divisor has 2 digits. So here first you divide 2 digits 17, but 17 is not divisible by 27, so that you take 3 digits 175. So which one is the nearest number to 175? If you don't know, write 27 table side. 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5, 54. 27 into 3, 3 sevens are 21, 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. 81, 27 into 4, 4 sevens are 28, 2 in hand, 8 is down, 4 twos are 8 plus 2, 10, 108, 27 into 5, 5 sevens are 35, 3 in hand, 5 is down, 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13. So you take 6 times also check Nana, 6 sevens are 42, 6 twos are 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16, 162. So this is the nearest number. So you write 6 times 162. Now you do the calculation. 175 minus 162 gives the answer 13. Yes? See 175 minus 162. It gives the answer 13. Okay. Now we write 13 side. Then it becomes 13. Sorry, here. 13. 13 and 5 becomes 135. So how many times it comes? 5 times. Finish. 135. 135. So 5 times you will get. So the quotient equal to 65. Remainder is equal to 0. Is it clear to you children? Here. So 27 ones are not going Nana. So you take 6 times. 27 6 are. 27 6 are 162. So 175 minus 162 gives the answer 13. So that 13 and take down 5, it becomes 135. 135 5 times come. So write 5 in the quotient place and 135 minus 135 0. So my dear children, you do this subtraction calculation in your mind. That only the in short division method. Now long division method. Long division method. See ma, 1755 divided by 27. 17 not going in 27, so you take, so we can't divide 17 by 27, so that you take the next digit, that is 5, 175. 175, the nearest number is 6. 162. Now 3, 1, 13. Now take down 5. So this calculation you do in your mind and write here that 135. Same. How many times? 5 times. So this is the long division and this is the short division. Okay. So if you practice the divisions more and more, then it becomes very easy in short division method. Okay. So while doing first time, we can't understand the short division method. If you practice so many problems, then it becomes very easy to you. Okay ma? So we completed this one Nana, exercise 4B. So I hope you understand that today's class children. Write the classwork neatly without mistakes, and you have to do the homework in the homework only. Homework problems. Okay? If you have any doubt, you call to me. I will explain again personally. Okay children? Bye Nana. Take care of yourself.